Welcome to the chapter The Shuttering Formwork Process. Surface preparation. Clear debris, level ground, compact soil, or PCC base. Apply marking lines as per drawings. Formwork material check. Ensure materials like plywood, steel plates, timber battens, nails, oil, and props are ready and in good condition. Shuttering erection. Assemble the side forms, supports, and braces. Ensure alignment, verticality, straightness, using plumb bob/level. Fix form ties or spacers for wall/slab shuttering. Oil application, shuttering oil. Apply a thin layer of shuttering oil on the inner face to prevent concrete sticking. Checking for gaps and tightness. Ensure joints are sealed to avoid leakage of cement slurry. Use foam, sealant, or masking tape if needed. Line, level, and dimensions check. Verify all dimensions and levels as per structural drawing. Cross-check diagonals and plumb to avoid bulging during concreting. Support and bracing final check. Tighten props, braces, and anchors. Ensure strong base to avoid sinking or shifting. Safety inspection. Check for any protruding nails or weak supports. Place caution tape if needed. Final approval. Get clearance from site engineer or QA/QC before pouring concrete. Thanks a lot for watching a video. You're going high.